Let me give you a closer look at these dining chairs that were sent over for my feedback. Mine are the green color, but it's not a bright green. I'd say it's more of a soft sage tone, which I really like. They do come in other colors too if green isn't your thing. One thing I noticed right away is how comfortable they are. The cushions are thick and supportive, but the chairs themselves don't feel bulky or heavy. They're actually pretty lightweight, so moving them around is easy. They come packed in one box, and assembly was pretty straightforward. It didn't take much effort to put them together, which I always appreciate. The legs are metal, so the chairs feel sturdy and stable once assembled. I also like that the back cushion covers can be removed and washed, which is really nice for keeping them looking clean over time. I also love how they make the space feel a little more open and airy. And overall, they're a really nice option if you want dining chairs that are comfortable, simple, and still look elevated. Definitely check these out.